Hello everyone, we are Ines mobile phone repair team. Today we are going to repair a Samsung S20R new model screen. Through testing, we found the screen displays abnormally. This fault is very common in this model. Let's check the cause of the fault through the laser machine lens to see what causes the abnormal screen display. Okay, we have found the fault point through the laser machine. We found that the line was severely corroded and broken. Know the cause of the fault. Let's try to fix it. We use conductive material, then use laser cutting to repair it. This repair method is very mature and stable. The screen lines are coated with conductive material. Okay, we apply conductive material to the lines. Manual repair of extremely fine lines. Since the conductive material liquid is too wide to prevent short circuit, we need to use a laser machine to separate the conductive material between the circuits. Laser shutter open wider. Increase the laser energy. This will help us repair it better. Okay, now we have completed the line cutting. Let's test the screen again to see if it is fixed. As you can see, the screen fault has been successfully fixed. Original color has been restored. Thanks for watching.